Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's stuck.
He's trying to step, but he's stepping on balloons behind him too.
He needs to get his favorite mousey out of there, and all these balloons are gross.
He tried to step on the balloon for support.
How am I gonna get that mouse?
He's bouncing back because of the balloons.
Look at him, he's sticking his paw through the handle. You actually don't see the cat anymore. Oh my goodness. If there's a loud sound right now, we're all gonna die.
He still has like 7 on him. He's given up.
He's lost his will to live.